Chapter 1. The Need for Protection.
You have heard of the Great Wall of China, but do you know the truth behind it? This wall is over 20,000 kilometers long. It was built by hand, stone by stone, for over 2,000 years. It's not just a wall. It's a story of pain, power, hope, and human strength. In this video, you will hear a story of people who gave everything. A story that still lives today. A long time ago, China was not safe. Powerful enemies came from the north on horses. They were fast, strong, and dangerous. They burned homes. They stole food. The people were afraid. The emperor had to protect the country. He said, "We must build a wall, a great wall. No enemy can pass." Many people laughed. A wall across mountains? Through deserts? It sounded impossible, but the emperor did not care. He wanted to save his people.
Chapter 2. Hands that built it.
The work began. Thousands came, some paid, some forced. Soldiers, farmers, and prisoners worked side by side. They carried heavy stones, dug deep, and climbed cliffs. Summer burned their skin. Winter's wind cut like knives. Still, they kept going. But still, the wall grew longer. Some said, "We are building history." Others said, "We are building a graveyard." Both were right. Workers lived near the wall in small camps. They slept in tents or caves. They ate simple food, rice, bread, water. There were no machines, only hands and tools. People missed their homes. They missed their children. But they kept working. Songs were sung to help them forget the pain. Some wrote messages on the stones. "I miss you. Forgive me." Even in hard times, the human heart speaks.
Chapter 3. The Wall Becomes a Legend.
As the years passed, the wall became huge. It moved across the land like a giant dragon. It went over mountains, across rivers, into forests and deserts. It had towers to watch for danger. Soldiers lived inside. They waited and watched. The wall was not just for defense. It was also a message. We are strong. We are united. We will not fall. The Great Wall became the heart of China. The wall holds many secrets. Some say you can still hear the voices of workers in the wind. Some say lost treasures are hidden inside. In some stories, a woman cried beside the wall for her husband who died while building it. Her tears were so strong, the wall broke. These are just legends, but they show something true. The wall is made of more than stone. It is made of memories, dreams, and love.
Chapter 4. A Legacy That Stands Today.
Today, the Great Wall is quiet. No wars, no enemies. Tourists come from around the world. They walk on the same stones. They take pictures. They smile. But if you stop, if you close your eyes, you can still feel the past. The footsteps, the sweat, the strength. The wall is alive. It remembers everything. The Great Wall of China teaches us something powerful. That people, even when tired, even when hurt, can do great things. That teamwork can build something bigger than one person. That strength is not only in the body, but also in the heart. So what wall will you build? A wall of courage? A wall of kindness? Remember, the people who built the Great Wall did not see it finished, but they believed, and that belief still stands today.
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. See you in the next story.